What's up, guys? Welcome to Joy of the Trade. I want to do a little bit of a rant this morning. I usually have more of a focused market take, but I'm kind of pissed off about something. I want to share an experience with you that just happened to me yesterday. And so we had a bit of a crypto flash crash on Tuesday, September 7th. And we saw Bitcoin go down 10%. We saw Ethereum go down 15%. We saw altcoins go down 25%, sometime around like 11 o'clock, 11:30 Tuesday morning. And that's normal for crypto. That's not why I'm pissed off. I've been in the game for a little while, been holding these things. I've been through a couple of these cycles. That's not why I'm pissed. I expect that. I'm pissed because I wait for those moments to buy more. That's how I buy. I wait for these volatility downdrafts and I buy into those moves. So I did my normal thing. I saw the move. I saw my portfolio getting decimated. And I said, I even had a buddy who texted me and he's like, what do we do? And I'm like, you do nothing. Or if you have fresh cash, you buy some. And so I put an order in on my Coinbase account. And I know for all you crypto heads out there, I'm not a real crypto head. I'm a stock trader, but I'm dabbling and investing in the crypto world. And I know Coinbase sucks. And now I really know it sucks. I put in an order in Ethereum to buy Ethereum right around near the low. Let me show you a chart of it, share it with you. So check this out. Yeah. So yesterday, right around this time, right here, 3,400 and change, 33. I put an order in to buy it on Coinbase. Okay. I'm sitting here more than 24 hours later. And let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin did a big move too. And I still haven't gotten a confirmation for the trade. My money's gone from the bank and now I'm in limbo. I don't have a confirmation for the trade. Coinbase is saying it's pending. And I know a lot of people are out there in the same situation. I have a pending trade in Ethereum. What are they waiting for? To see if it goes up 20% from here so they can break it? Coinbase is showing that they don't have any integrity. They want to operate as an exchange. They're even offering to give people interest rates. I've been offered to lend out some of my crypto at an interest rate, and I'm semi-interested in that because it's a decent yield. But these guys are not operating like an exchange with integrity, a brokerage firm that's regulated. So perhaps the SEC is onto something. So what I'm here to tell you today is don't sell any crypto. Short Coinbase. These guys are trying to play with the big boys. They want to play with the big boys, but they're not big boys. The stock is still up here. It's going to gap down a little bit, but not nearly enough. I think the stock should be making new lows based on how the lack of integrity in their platform in honoring trades. They break down every time there's a little bit of volatility. That's when we want to trade. They're not robust enough to be a big boy company. And I think that you could be long, you can stay long all your crypto, and all you have to do is short Coinbase. That's all you got to do. And so if you like this video, please like it on YouTube. If you agree with me, test it out. That's a great hedge. Listen, you could short Coinbase, you could buy some puts. They're going to go down if crypto gets decimated. You don't have to it's like writing calls. It's like writing calls against covered calls against your stock portfolio. It's insurance. But I think that stock can get whacked even if crypto goes higher because they should be regulated. They need to be more robust. They need more integrity. And there's other people that are going to do it better than them if they don't. So LFG guys, if you like this video, like it on YouTube. If you haven't already, signed up for Joy of the Trade. I have a lot of ideas like these. I'm actually going to put out a trade later this evening into tomorrow morning, giving you an exact trade to put on shorting Coinbase because I'm pissed. LFG guys.